So I've been riding the Aairsk GT300 electric bike for a bit now, and here's my honest take. First impression? It actually looks better in person than online. The frame feels solid, and for the price range, I wasn't expecting much, but it surprised me. The $400 motor is decent. It's not a speed monster, but on flat roads and mild hills, it gets you moving smoothly up to around 20 to 22 mph without feeling strained. The pedal assist kicks in pretty naturally too. Range-wise, I'm getting close to the advertised 30-40 miles, but only if I stay in lower assist modes. Full throttle drains it faster, so keep that in mind. Comfort is okay. The front suspension helps on rough paths, but it's still more of a commuter feel than a mountain beast. My biggest takeaway? It's a solid budget e-bike, but not premium. If you're expecting high-end performance, you'll be disappointed. If you just want affordable daily riding, it's actually pretty worth it.